With murders and shootings on the increase and not enough vehicles for the police to respond, the National Security Minister says they will get more vehicles by Monday, possibly tomorrow.
The announcement comes even as the Finance Ministry has withdrawn the moratorium it gave to the company contracted to purchase 200 pre-owned vehicles for the police.
That means O'Brien's International Car Sales and Rental will have to find the money to clear the vehicles now sitting on the wharf. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
Disapproval from both inside and outside Gordon House when the nation was told that O'Brien's got a moratorium on taxes to clear 66 vehicles at the wharf. That's after the National Security Ministry held its ground and refused to pay the special consumption and general consumption taxes that O'Brien's did not include on its invoice.
The Attorney General has agreed that the steps the ministry has taken is the correct legal steps as per the contract and as per the procurement guidelines.
So now that the Attorney General has ruled, what's happening with the moratorium?
Yes, they have indicated to us and to Cabinet that they have withdrawn that moratorium based on the advice of the Attorney General.
So the cars will not be cleared unless O'Brien's pays the money.
That is indeed correct.
Now, O'Brien's has not lived up to its duties under the contract, missing extended deadlines to deliver the police vehicles. The ministry has called in the $42 million performance bond, but it appears that the contract will not be terminated. Robert Montague says the lawyers for both parties have found a solution. But there's another problem. The police still need vehicles to help fight crime.
Come Friday, between this Friday, tomorrow, and Monday, 100 vehicles, additional vehicles will be delivered to the police force, separate from the 66. We have purchased vehicles from all the other used car dealers in Jamaica who are registered with the NCC.
That would bring the total to 145.
Each police station can get a vehicle. However, as minister, I cannot assign a police vehicle. I have to hand them to the police high command and they treat with it as how best operational it is to be done.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.